There are various ways you can blend backgrounds together in CorelDraw when it comes to design. But in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you one particular way how you can merge or blend two or three backgrounds together to form a particular background. As you can see, I already have my backgrounds here. These are my backgrounds. I want to make use of them. As you can see, so this is just let me just start a tangle tools. I draw a particular rectangle, then I have the color I want to use. I'll just select on it. So now follow my step. This is the first background I want to make use of it. So I can just add it on top, or power clip to it. It's under shift page up. I want to put it up. So now, so this is the particular background. Let me just bring it over it like this. Let me bring it over it. So as you can see, you see the background. So I want to change the color mode of this background. I want to change it to gray. I'll go to bitmap, then I'll go to the mode, then I'll change it to grayscale. So as you can see, that's it. Then I haven't done that. I want to power clip it inside this particular box. So I'll right click and hold it to the box, then I'll click on power clip. So now next to it, I'll open the power clip, then go to transparency tools. Now click on this, then I'll click on the mode of the transparency. I'll add overlay to it. As you can see, I've added overlay to it. Let me click on the finish power clipping. So as you can see, that's the first what's it called, first step. Then the second step, I want to make use of another image, this particular image. As you can see, so I will drag it here as well. Is under, just hold on shift plus up, page up, then you bring it up, or better still, you can right click, then you click on what's it called, you click on order, you see order here, then you bring to front of the layer. As you can see, that's it. Then I want to drag it as well. I'll bring it out here. I want to drag it here, bring it out. So this is it. This is what I wanted to do. This is what I wanted to do. So as you can see, now the first thing I want to do is I want to fade out particular sign, particular page. Yeah, I want to fade it out. So I want to fade it out. I'll click on transparent, then I will click on this. You see, this black area is where you want to fade out, and this white area is the one you want to retain. So I can adjust it, the feather, I can adjust it. As you can see, it's fading already. So as you can see, then I can still drag it, whichever one I want to use. I think I'm okay like this. I still want to make another effect, that is, I want to make use of the transparent as well. So what do I have to do? I will convert this particular image. I will convert it to bitmap. Alt plus B on your keyboard, Alt plus B on your keyboard, or go to bitmap, click on convert to bitmap, then click on OK. So I'm done with this. Now I'll click on transparent. I'll click on transparent, then I want to do what? I want to blend it. Go to blend overlay. As you can see, I've blended it. Before we go, I still want to power clip it. I want to power clip it, then right click and drag it here. Drag it, click on power clip. As you can see, that's it. Then I can adjust it, bring it, you see it, then click on finish. That is another. You see, I've merged two particular image now. Then the third one, this is the third one. I want to use it at the top. Shift page up. I can bring it out. I can bring it out like this. See it. I can bring it out. There's a particular image. Now, just like what I did the other time, I'll come to this transparency tool, then then I'll fade below. You see it, I'll faded it. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that transparency. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll still convert it to bitmap, because if I don't convert it to bitmap, I want to use another transparent and it's going to contradict. Then let me convert to bitmap. As you can see, okay. Now the next to it is just the same thing I've been doing. Click on transparency to the mode and change it to overlay. As you can see, then the next to it is I'll power clip it. Right click, I'll drag and right click, drop it inside the box, power clip. Can you see it? So you can see that is how to merge three or blend two or three images together in CorelDraw. Let me just go to view and full page, you can see. And with that, you can continue with your design, put whatever you want to put. Background is what take most of our time. So that is how to make background. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. See you in the next video.